In this video, children, I'm going to explain another word problem of linear equation of class 8. Okay, so let's see what is the question here. The question is that 7 times a number. Okay, we have one number, we don't know that number, and when we multiply 7 to it, that is the 7 times it is, so it will become 7, whatever the number is, 7 times of that given number. And when it is subtracted from 29, okay, we have to subtract that 7 times of that unknown number from 29, we get the answer as 43. Okay, so we have to find that unknown number. Okay, once again I'm telling you that we have got one number, we don't know what is that. Okay, we have to find that number. So the condition given is that when the 7 times of that unknown number is subtracted from 29, we get the answer as 43. So we have to find the number. Okay, so let's see how to do. So okay, because we don't know that number, so we will consider it as x. You can take any variable of your choice. So let the number be x. Okay, one by one, each and every step I am telling you here. 7 times of the number will be 7x. Okay, now what is the question given? According to the question, when the unknown number, the 7 times of that unknown number is subtracted from 29, that is 29 minus 7x. Okay, we get the solution as 43. The unknown number is subtracted from 29, we get 43 as the result. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to take this 29 here. So it will be minus 7x is equal to 43 minus 29. Okay. So we get is equal to 14. Okay. Now x is equal to 14 upon minus 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are minus 2. So we get the number as equal to minus 2. Okay, so the unknown number is minus 2. Now we can check also whether the result is correct or not. Okay, so how we can check it? See, we have given that 7 times of the number, when subtracted from 29, it gives 43 as the result. Okay, so when the 7 times of that number is subtracted from 29, it gives 43 as the result. Let's see that whether by putting x as equal to minus 2, we get 43 as the result or not. 29 minus 7 into minus 2. Okay, so it will be 29 minus 7 into minus 2 is here minus 14. Okay, so 29 plus 14 is equal to 43 or not, we will see. So 43 is equal to, so we have seen that our right hand side is equal to our right hand side. It means the solution of the question is correct. Okay, so that unknown number is minus 2. Okay, so children, hope you understood the explanation, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.